Welcome back to Rust Run. Today we're kicking off your journey to mastering Rust by installing it. Let's go! Alright, Rustaceans, get ready because today we're talking about Rustup and Cargo, two powerhouse tools that will make your Rust journey so much smoother. Let's break them down. First up, Rustup. Rustup is not just an installer, it's your Rust control center. Rustup installs Rust, keeps it updated, and lets you switch between different Rust versions. Plus, it manages extra tools like Rust FMT for clean code and Clippy to catch those sneaky mistakes. With Rustup, your Rust setup is always smooth and up to date. Next up, Cargo. Cargo is Rust's package manager and build system, making development simple and efficient. It compiles and runs your projects, manages dependencies seamlessly, and keeps everything organized. Similar to NPM for JavaScript or pip for Python, Cargo handles dependencies automatically so you can focus on coding. It also provides powerful commands to streamline your workflow, from creating projects to testing and building them. Plus, Cargo generates documentation. Rust and Cargo work together like a dream, making sure your Rust development is fast, smooth, and frustration-free. Once you start using them, you'll never want to code without them. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. We'll start by installing Rust on Windows, and if you're on Linux or macOS, don't worry, I'll get to that next. First, head over to rustlink.org/tools/install or just type install Rust into your favorite search engine. On the installation page, click the C++ Build Tools link to go straight to the Visual Studio download page. Hit the download button, and once it's done, open the installer and proceed with the installation. Be sure to select Desktop Development with C++ during installation to install all the necessary components. Now, sit back and relax while the installer does its job. Once the installation is complete, we'll be ready to move on to installing Rust. Installation is finished, so we can close the Visual Studio installer and switch back to the Rust installation page. Download the Rustup installer that matches your system architecture, whether you're on 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer to proceed. Hit Enter to continue with default installation. Rustup will install a suite of essential tools to enhance your Rust development experience. You'll get Cargo, Rust's powerful package manager, which simplifies dependency management and project building. It also includes Clippy, a smart linter that not only catches potential bugs, but also provides helpful suggestions to improve your code quality. With Rust FMT, your code will always look clean and consistent, thanks to its automatic formatting capabilities. The Rust C compiler will transform your code into fast and efficient executables, while Rust Docs ensures you have offline access to all official Rust documentation whenever you need it. Lastly, Rust STD, the standard library, offers a collection of essential tools and utilities that help speed up your development process. Once the installation is complete, restart your terminal or open a new tab to apply the changes. Type rust c-version in your terminal to check if Rust is installed correctly. You should see the installed version of Rust displayed. If you do, you're all set. All right, Linux and macOS folks, let's keep it simple. Just type install Rust into your favorite search engine or head straight to rustlink.org/tools/install. This page might look a bit different for you, but don't worry, we're only interested in this curl command. This is the command we'll use to start the installation. You can also find it in the video description. All you need to do is copy that command and paste it into your terminal. Hit Enter, and the installation will start. It's as simple as that. I'll quickly go over the components being installed once again. Rustup will install Cargo, the package manager for Rust, managing dependencies and building projects. Clippy, a linter that catches potential bugs and offers code improvement suggestions. Rust FMT, an automatic code formatter to keep your code clean and consistent. Rust C, the Rust compiler that transforms your code into fast, efficient programs. Rust Docs provides offline access to the official Rust documentation. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart your terminal. Type rustc-version to check if everything was installed correctly. If you see the Rust version, you are all set. Awesome! In the next video, we'll dive right into coding and create our first Hello World program in Rust. We'll explore how to set up a new project with Cargo, write our code, and run it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Rust goodness.